Yeah, hi. We're from SMBedded. The project title name is SmartMine AI, Enhanced IoT-Based Multi-Sensor Coal mine Safety and Worker Health Monitoring System. So in this project, we are using ESP32 AI Thinker board, and we are using total 4 sensors: DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor, SW2 SW420 vibration sensor, and flammable fire sensor. 16 cross 2 LC display, RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 23, 22, 21, 19, 18, 5. GSM SIM 900A serial communication to 16th pin and 17th pin. So alarm connected to the 12th pin. So ThinkSpeak, we are sending the data to ThinkSpeak cloud. We are monitoring the live dashboard and data storing in the MySQL database and analysis pattern. If anything happened, risk forecast to email alert. So if temperature crossed 40 above, email alert. Humidity crossed 80 above, email alert, SMS alert. Gas, if gas crossed 2000 and above, vibration detected, alert. So if fire detected, alert. So we are getting the SMS alerts. Okay, so continuously we are getting the smoke alert, fire alert, humidity alert, gas alert. Okay, so all SMS are continuously coming. If anything happened, it will send the SMS alert, as well as it will update the data to ThinkSpeak cloud also. So here we are using the device revert treat. Okay, so here temperature alert, temperature email alert, humidity email alert, vibration email alert, smoke email alert, and fire email alert. Okay, go to channel, my channel. Okay, so we are checking the data continuously. Okay, so let's start with the power supply. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. So here bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, GSM SIM 900A. So press down, it will come the SIM card outside. You can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. Slowly insert the SIM card. Okay, slowly insert the SIM card and press down and lock the SIM card. Up, lock, down, unlock, lock the SIM card. So GSM antenna, ESP32 rover module, AI Thinker board, and 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. The pin numbers are 23, 21, 19, 18, 5, and DHT11 temperature humidity sensor connected to the 12th pin, 13th pin, and fire sensor connected to the 14th pin, vibration sensor connected to the 35 pin, and MQ2 gas sensor ADC pin connected to the 34 pin. Okay, 16 cross 2 LCD display, alarm connected to the 12th pin. Let's start with the power supply, and meanwhile we need to give the mobile data. Mobile data on, Wi-Fi hotspot on. Wi-Fi hotspot username is small letter project, password is project 1234, and I will press the reset button. SmartMine AI, enhanced IoT based multi-sensor coal mine safety and health worker health monitoring system. Connecting, Wi-Fi connected. So it is showing the Wi-Fi hotspot device. T for temperature, H for humidity, gas alert, temperature alert. Okay, now I am increasing the temperature sensor. Temperature 40 above. Okay, 29, 30, 34, 36, 39, 40 and above. SMS alert, email alert. Yeah, 41. Okay, so every 10 counts it will update the data to server sensors data. Okay, yeah, temperature alert, sending SMS 1. Okay, go to, so here we will see the data. Okay, sending SMS to, okay, it will at high temperature alert. So here it will updated the data. Okay, yeah, 42.8 updated. Okay, now it is updated the data. GSM SIM 900A power supply board. Okay, alarm. Okay, now I am going giving the vibration. Vibration 300 above. Yeah, vibration detected. Sending SMS 1. Message sent. Sending SMS 2. Message sent. Vibration alert. Here vibration also it will update. It will up, yeah, vibration alert. Okay, now I will go for the fire alert. Vibration alert came. Now I am giving the fire sensor. Fire alert. Yeah, fire detected. Alarm on. Fire detected, alarm on. Sending SMS 1. Sending SMS 2. Okay, we will get the SMS alert here. Yeah, fire detected. Here also it will update the fire. Okay, yeah, fire detected 1. Okay, 2 SMS. Server also updated successfully. Now I will go for the gas sensor. Okay, gas. Yeah, 300, 3000, 1200 above. Okay, yeah, alert. Gas alert came. Sending SMS 1. We will check here. Temperature, humidity sensor, fire sensor, and gas sensor, vibration sensor, 16 cross to LCD display, alarm. Yeah, smoke detected. Gas or smoke detected. And it is also updated. Gas. Okay. Yeah, value just now received. Okay. Now we will go for the humidity. Yeah, humidity 80 above. Humidity 80 and above. Yeah, humidity 98. Given through my mouth. Okay, humidity alert. Sending SMS 1. Okay, here sending SMS 2. Message sent. Yeah, high humidity alert, smoke alert, fire alert, vibration alert, temperature alert. Okay, this is our total block diagram of the project. Emails is sending to persons only. So this person, okay, humidity 98. Okay, time is 609. Yeah, completed. Thank you. All alerts came.